Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and verify the installation of the FileZilla FTP client on Ubuntu. Let's get started. To install the FileZilla client using the command line, first open a terminal. The first step is to update your package list by running the command sudo apt-get update. This ensures that you get the latest version of the software by syncing your system with Ubuntu's software repositories. You may be prompted to enter your password. Just go ahead and type it in. Now, to install FileZilla, simply run the command sudo apt-get install FileZilla. Ubuntu will find the FileZilla package and ask for your confirmation to install it. Type Y and press enter to proceed. Once the installation is complete, you can verify that FileZilla has been installed successfully. To do this, use a command to check if it appears in the list of installed software. Sudo apt list installed grep FileZilla. This command will search your installed software list and confirm that FileZilla is installed. If FileZilla appears in the results, congratulations! The installation was successful. If you want to check the installed version of FileZilla, you can use the simple command FileZilla --version. This will display the version number of the installed FileZilla client. To launch FileZilla, use the command FileZilla. Once FileZilla is launched, you'll see its user interface with options to configure FTP connections, transfer files, and manage your server remotely. And that's it. You've successfully installed and verified the installation of FileZilla on Ubuntu. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.